line. Begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we're moving into autonomous here. It looks like all 6 robots are moving. It looks like we had a level 1 coral scored on the Blue Alliance, and a second level 1 coral scored on the Blue Alliance. Over on the Red Alliance, it looks like a level 4 coral is being lined up, and it goes on to that brief. That buzzer's the end of autonomous as drivers take the controls into match number 76 here at the 10,000 Lakes Regional. It looks like we have a level 4 coral being scored by Talon Robotics over on the Red Alliance. And it looks like 3792 just grabbing an algae from the Red Alliance side of the field and pushing it over to their side. 7850 raising their elevator to score that algae. It bounces in and stays in the net. Those algae in the net are worth 4 points each, and if they go on the processor, they're worth 6 points. 5996 lining up their coral mechanism to score on the level 4. Over on the Red Alliance, it looks like an algae just bounced over the barge. All right, 7850 scoring into the red barge for another 4 points. Talon Robotics lining up another level 4 coral onto the Red Alliance reef, and it goes on. 7850 scoring yet another algae into the barge. .7850 lining up yet another algae into that barge, and it stays in the net. Over on the Blue Alliance, 4225 cycling a level 1 coral onto the reef. Each level 1 coral is 2, a level 3 is 3. .4687 with an algae in their possession, raising their lift up, lining up, but it rolls off the back of their robot. They'll have to get a bit closer to score that algae into the barge. 2502 just zooming around the field with ease with a coral in their possession, lining up a level 4 shot with ease. 7850 just slightly missing that algae going into the Red Alliance barge. 7850 getting a little bit closer. It looks like that algae will stay in the barge. That sound means we're in the last 20 seconds where robots could climb those cages for 12 points, a park for 2, or a shallow for 6. And 14 or more of those points is worth the barge ranking point. Another algae being scored by 7850 on the Red Alliance. And that buzzer is the end of our match. We will have the final scores posted in just a minute for qualification match 76. Red Alliance. It looks like Red Alliance has a 107 to 41. The Red Alliance will walk away with not 3, but 5 ranking points. 3 for winning, a barge, and an auto. It looks like the Army Ants will stay in position number 8 for this match.